अस्सलाम वालेकुम जनाब, खानपुर डैम पे हमारे एक फ्रेंड आए हुए हैं. आई थिंक आर यू चाइनी?
नो, फ्रॉम थाईलैंड.
थाईलैंड के हैं. तो इनसे बात करेंगे, इसे थोड़ा सा लेते हैं अपने व्यूज़ के, हमारे इस पाकिस्तान के मतलब कि इनके क्या व्यूज़ हैं. कैन यू टॉक नाउ?
What? Say something.
What do you think about Pakistan? What is your opinion?
My opinion that Pakistan is a very nice country. You should open country and let some tourists from the foreigner to visit. You have many places really, like beautiful and like a surprise. Like on the north, Gilgit, Hunza, everywhere. Even the KhanPur Dam still very beautiful. So have to do organize some.
What's your name? Are you from? You're
From Thailand. I'm from Thailand.
What's your name, please?
Mr. Chayut.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I can say our Pakistan, that it's a beautiful country. You can visit here, and you can see our beautiful Pakistan. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.